This is our latest demo for association, extraction, and enrichment applied to wall association. Let's take an example plan set like this. And you can see that there are various detail callouts, this rectangular area, which is A405, and A405 will be ingested as well. But in addition, there are other labels here. For example, S3A45, various wall labels S6A50, which are not necessarily in this particular detail callout, but they have their own specific detail pages, S3A50, S3G, and just getting the labels is not sufficient because our customers are expecting to get assemblies, materials, dimensions, everything associated with these labels. Now, thanks to detail extraction, some of these are correctly extracted from each and every crops on our details. So for example, S3G, you can see a lot of these are coming from the vertical assembly types page. How does the page look like? So as you can see, we correctly panned and zoomed to that area S3G. And this page has all the wall types along with their assemblies. Material, dimensions, studs, etc. Our customers will be able to see that we have extracted all of them from this extraction sidebar. They can verify the crops are in high quality, and we get several of these, almost 20-30 types of different wall types and all their diagrams extracted. Next, whenever you run takeoff, the enrichment service comes into the picture to also get all of this text and ultimately associate with that particular wall label, in this case, let's say S3A56. Let's go back to the floor plan and inspect the output. Now I ran this wall takeoff some time ago. Here's the output. All of these different types, G1, S2G. You go. These are the G1s, S2Gs, S3Gs, SA, S3A45, etc., etc. But what's the cool part here is now it's associated. Scroll right on the table, right, to see all the associations. It has all of these columns now: material, insulation, accessories, gypsum layers, STC, stud spacing, stud type, and great coverage, almost 100% coverage, which is a big improvement from last time. And when you click on any of them, let's say, click on this, see where the agent found this, correctly pops up on the left side, the source, S3A50, S3A56, S3G, S3GA30, and so on. So what this gives our customers is all the necessary information, material, studs, etc., dimensions, that is correctly now parsed from these details, these intricate details, and associated with the right labels.